Welcome to this edition of Frank Friday, and today we want to talk about funnels. That was a lot of F's in a row there. Frank Friday's funnel conflab. Couldn't think of another F. I just want to talk about what I think is wrong with funnels right now. I'm a human. You're a human. And the idea that we should be led like lambs through this breadcrumb trail of tricks to allow us to provide our money to these said people, I just think is sucky. I don't like it. It sounds wrong, doesn't it? That we begin to talk about funnels and we forget the human aspect of it. We forget what we want to do as people. You're probably in business because you know how to do something that's really cool, and you probably have a passion to do that thing really well for other people so that those other people will benefit. That means that you are adding value into people's lives. So for example, if you have a niche, say your niche is accountants, and you want to provide amazing services for accountants to help them generate leads and to help them grow their business, that's your passion, that is your motivation. Now, if we flip everything over and start to consider people and putting them through funnels and automating the process of selling, then I think we're taking away a lot of the value and a lot of the human aspect of sales. Don't get me wrong, funnels are great when done really well, but we are being bombarded all the time with half-assed funnels, say through Facebook. We'll have some random person on a video with a big car behind them looking all cool, telling them that they have some sort of random system that is going to transform our lives. And they'll do some sort of low sale to get us hooked in. And then when we part with that few dollars, they'll start bombarding us with more and more and more screens, trying to get more and more money out of us. And then what they even provide half the time is a load of rubbish. It's half-baked, because what they really want to do is sell you their $3,000 or their £10,000 or dollar course. Now, yeah, I'm probably being a bit negative and exaggerating slightly, but this seems to be the direction that funnels are going in. And yet we forget, again, that human aspect. What is our original core mission? Our original core mission is to help other people. That's what most people on this planet want to do. So I would suggest that we actually create funnels where we lead with immense value. A great example of this would be Funnel Packs from Matt and Mel. They have put so much time into creating really valuable funnels. This is documents that can be white labeled and converted to your agency, along with email sequences that provide good teaching, that provide immense value. This is an important model. If we can lead with value, if we can lead with education, then people are going to really appreciate what we have provided. They are going to action what we've provided. They're going to get benefit from what we have provided. Yes, it's all for free, but we are now known, we are now liked, we are now trusted, and we are more likely to get sales from that sort of process. The aspect of a funnel is, yes, a sales process, but we should be leading with value, not trying to use tricks and upsells to get people further and further down a funnel. So what are your thoughts? What are your experiences with funnels? Shout out to Mike Killen. He once said that a funnel is a website done really, really well. And we'll put a link to that episode as well in the show notes below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget, we have a community, agencytrailblazer.com/group. It's a free Facebook community full of nearly 3,000 agency owners, web designers, and web developers just like you. So come and join us. If we don't see you in the community, we will see you in the next episode.